Hello, my name is Damini Patel and I'm going to show the network topology of Guard Automobile Filters, which is a manufacturing company providing filters of automobiles and other petroleum products for vehicles based in Melbourne, Australia. This is the topology of my case study and I have used Cisco Packet Tracer 7.3 to implement it. Guard Automobile Filters Company has five main departments, which are engineering department, manufacturing department, finance department, admin department, and the foreign operations department. My student ID is MIT200306 and I have used two IP schemes to design the network. One is 200.30.0.0 that I have used for routers and firewall interfaces, and another one is 10.30.0.0 which I have used for the personal computers and the servers. As you can see, the router is installed between the public and the private network of the Guard Automobile Filters for routing the network traffic to access the ideas and data from public network or to deal with the international clients. Firewall is also there to monitor all the traffic entering into the company network. I have used Open Shortest Path First routing protocol on each network. OSPF share the routing information with adjacent nodes to find the shortest available path for delivery of data packet. OSPF is a link state routing algorithm. The reason why I have chosen OSPF is that it is a classless routing protocol which goes beyond the default boundary of mask and work well with the subnetted networks. Now I'm going to show the configuration of some of the routers, switches, and the species. I'm going to show the finance routers configuration first. So this is my finance router, and now firstly I'm going to show you the current configurations which I have set to do this topology. So this is how I have connected the interfaces, interface 1, fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 1, and all the other interfaces. And the other things which I can show you is which protocols and how our other networks are connected with this router to show that show IP route. It will simply show which networks are connected via which protocols or via directly or indirectly. So this is seek demonstrate that this network is connected directly with this router, and O specifies that this sub networks are connected via the OSPF protocol. To show specific OSPF protocol, I can show you the show IP route OSPF. These are the configuration of the networks which are only connected with the OSPF protocol, and I can also show you the interfaces which are connected via the OSPF. So this is the list of interfaces which are connected via the OSPF protocol. So this was all about the routers configuration, and now I'll show you the switch configuration. Firstly, I'll select the switch. I'll select the finance switch. And in the finance switch, mainly I have configured for the virtual LAN. As you can see, these are the commands to set up the virtual LAN. The main command is the speech port mode trunk, speech port mode access. As this is a virtual LAN 3, I have given the virtual LAN ID as 3. So this was all about the virtual LAN and the configuration of the switch. Now I will move forward with a PC configuration. Simply I have to set the IP address and the default gateway of any PC. And for that, I will go to the IP configuration. Let me share the screen first. So this is the configuration of PC0. And likewise, I have configured all the PCs and the servers in this manner. Now I'm going to show actually how the message will go from one PC to another PC. And for that, I will first open the simulation window to show the event list. Firstly, I will send the message from PC0 to PC4. This is PC0 to PC4. Now I'll simply click on the next to show where the message goes first. So from PC0 to PC4, the middle, the path will be the message will be go from PC0 to finance switch, and then here I can also show you the PDU format. So this is the PDU format. So this is simply the layers of the OSI model, and as switch works on the network data access layer, that is the layer 2. This is the format, how actually the message is there, and I can also show you the IP address, the destination and the source addresses. So this is the source address and this is the destination address. Now by clicking on the next, I can see the message will go through the finance router and the primary router, then again to the admin router. So it have reached to the PC4, but it will also send the acknowledgement that yes, I have received the message by informing that yes, I have received message to the PC0, and here you can see the message has been successfully sent. So this is how my topology works, my network has worked, and thanks for watching.